Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this rose swordfish in Fish Roblox Valentine's update. So I think this is the easily the coolest looking fish in the new Fish Valentine's update. And I'm going to show you my secret spot and the best bait to use so you can add it to your collections as soon as possible. So I actually got this fish during the admin events in the Valentine's update, but you can also get it if you use the right location and also the right bait combo. So for the location, I got it in this exact location, and I'm using the Almond Road with Singularity bait. But I suggest you to increase your odds in catching the mythic rose swordfish. You can also use the heart charms that can be bought inside the heartfelt islands, and if needed, you can also use the love totem or the love potions. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.